Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Onibes and you're welcome to Onibes Beauty Patente B. So for those ones that are just seeing my channel, just seeing these videos, okay, for the very first time, even you will just enter the Patente stuff for the very first time, you are highly welcome. It is not an easy journey, but I bet you that if you put more effort, you will conquer last. Okay, so of course, like I always say, if you never subscribe, it is very important. Subscribe to this channel. You're going to see a bell, the place where you can see subscribe. Okay, turn that bell on so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first to know. It is very important. Most times we go live on YouTube to do quizzes. Of course, it's going to help you. Okay, and I also urge you to go back to my previous videos, watch these videos, not skip any one of them. Start from chapter 1. You're going to walk through chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we're there for chapter 6. So, of course, you will still meet us here by God's grace. Okay, if you don't meet us here, it is fine. Keep following the current videos and, of course, go back to the old videos. It is very important. Please, I would appreciate you if you also share me to your family, your friends, even your enemies. It very important, like my people will say. Okay, let us go right into this video. Today we see the talk of Signalética horizontale e segni sulle ostacoli, meaning say we see there on chapter 6. Okay, so I'm going to be treating just one particular lesson in this video, why I'm going to come up with the rest gradually. Now, la doppia striscia continua, this na double continuous line, double. Now, we've done that of discontinua. We've done that of continuous line. Now, we therefore doppia striscia continua, double straight line. So I'm going to run through the reading and, of course, explain to you what this particular sign is telling you. Serve a dividere i sensi di marcia sulla strada a doppio senso di circolazione. Now, this doppia striscia, it serves to divide the travel direction for two-way circulation. Doppia senso means saying a two-way circulation. Vehicles there where they go. Vehicles there where they come. That is what they call two-way circulation. Ad esempio, con 4 cossia, 2 per senso di marcia. Si apre la striscia discontinua tra oguna della corsia sul singolo senso di marcia e la striscia doppia continua al centro per dividere i due sensi di marcia. So this doppia striscia, for example, you go find out with 4 lanes, 2 for each travel direction. 4 lanes means 2 for those where they go, 2 for those where they come. In this case, you will come see a discontinuous line where they separate these 2 lanes where this doppia striscia divide. I'm going to go through this picture. Now, this is doppia striscia. We have 2 lanes here, 2 lanes here. Those people where they come use these 2 lanes, they go. You want to use these 2 lanes, they come. Whichever way it is, no say 2 lanes for those where they go, 2 lanes for those they come. Now there you go, see doppia striscia, it divide the 2 senso di marcia. It is dividing them. Now, between these 2 lanes, you will see discontinua line. Here, you're going to see discontinua line. Just photo, not just for illustration purposes only. Okay, so this doppia striscia, it divide this sensi di marcia, this travel direction. For example, for road we get 4 lanes. Okay, it go divide like that. Now, between these 2 lanes, for those where they go, those where they come, you go see another striscia discontinua. Puoi essere superata. Now, non puoi essere superata. You cannot cross over just like the single continuous line like we did before. This one a doppia continua, 2 continuous line. Still on still, you're not going to cross on top of them. Permette il sorpasso se consentito senza superarla. Now this one, it permits you to do overtaking. You fit overtake. You can overtake, but as long as you no cross over them. And if the road permits you to do overtaking, why not? If not, but make sure you know the cross over the Striscia Continua. Non consente invasione di senso di marcia. You cannot do a U-turn on this type of road where you see doppia striscia continua. On top of this line, you no go fit climb am, so you no go fit do And a U-turn, you can't do it. Non-consent dey disvotare a sinistra. You no go fit also turn to your left where you dey see Doppia Striscia Continua. You cannot turn to your left. For example, there's a road here and you want to turn to your left. You no go fit climb this Striscia Continua, this Doppia Striscia Continua. So it does not allow you to turn to your left. Okay. So that is that for Doppia Striscia Continua. I told you that I'm going to be dealing on just this one. Okay. I will be coming up with a video soon. So that's why I advise you to turn the notification bell on. I'm trying to see if I can quickly watch this particular chapter. So we get another chapter. Let's keep the train moving. Okay. If you never subscribe up to now, please subscribe. If you have not liked, please like. Within 1 second, you can do that for me. Like my video, share my video, family, friends, loved ones. Thank you for sharing in advance. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.